Hey there, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Morgan Radford. Aaron is on assignment. We start with breaking news out of Pennsylvania, where comedian Bill Cosby is about to be released from prison any moment now after a major ruling from the state Supreme Court. NBC News legal analyst Danny Savalos joins us now. Danny, help us understand what's happening. I mean, Bill Cosby has been in prison for 2 years now. Why is the state Supreme Court in Pennsylvania vacating the sexual assault conviction now?
Well, it appears that the Pennsylvania Supreme Court is looking at the prior bad acts evidence that the trial court had allowed in. I have not had a chance to read the Supreme Court's opinion yet, but I do know that this was a very ripe issue, and I said this at the time, a very ripe issue for appeal. I know that in the very first trial, remember Cosby was tried twice, they allowed, I believe, one prior bad act witness in, and in the second trial, they allowed multiple with really no explanation that I ever saw for the second time around. So that may have tainted the trial. But again, this is hot off the press, still trying to get a hold of this judicial opinion.
But the question, Danny, I mean, how common is a move like this?
How common is it that
to overturn a conviction like this after someone's already spent 2 years in jail, especially based on perhaps a previous agreement with a different prosecutor?
Super duper uncommon. And I think folks need to understand that a lot of times when you see a lawyer come out on the courthouse steps after a bad verdict, a guilty verdict, and say, we're going to appeal, it's not a fresh start at the Court of Appeals. You have to come up with a really good legal issue and one that ideally was raised at the court below. So appeal is really a long shot at any level. And if they were successful here, that was a long shot that some folks thought they had a chance with, but it's only ever just a chance before the Supreme Court.
And so just so our viewers understand and are completely clear here, you're saying that the appeal is a long shot. So likely Bill Cosby walks out of that state prison a free man and stays a free man. Is that correct?
Not necessarily. No, the prosecutor may elect to charge him again. Vacating the conviction doesn't necessarily, and again, I haven't read the opinion, but it doesn't necessarily mean that jeopardy is attached and the case is over forever. This may be a situation where the prosecution or the Commonwealth can retry him yet again. But I caution that I have to look at this opinion because it just came out moments ago.
Well, we appreciate you being with us for this late breaking news. Danny Savalos, as always, thank you so much. And for our viewers, stay with us because there will be much more to come on this still, as Danny mentioned, breaking story.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.